Good morning, because it is morning here in Sweden in the spring, the early spring. In the art of splitting wood, I will show you how to make the perfect swing of a splitting axe. Always begin at the end, because you will measure out where you will end the stroke. The end of the stroke is the goal, and that's all the thing that you should think about. Concentrate on the goal. So here we're measuring up so we don't miss the log when we're hitting. We should end also with our knees slightly bent, like this, because it's most ergonomically and it's most safe, because you can almost not hit yourself in this way, even if you miss, which you shouldn't do. So always handle the axe with the weight close to the center of the mass of your body. This is a question of balancing. Try to play around with it, with the axe, and feel the balance, feel the weight. Know your axe, because this is a question of balance. It's a question of body control, mind control, and balance. When you are lifting the axe to start the swing, take a grip close to the axe head. Don't lift it like this. It's a waste of energy. It's not a good balance act. Take a grip close to the head, move it close to your body, and to start, to go to the start position, take a grip with one hand at the end knob and move it close to your center of your body, upwards. Push it through the upper hand until the two hands meet in this start position. Here you have the start position. Never go the full swing like this. It's not good for your back, and half the way you will just lift the axe against the gravitation and against the power. It's not beneficial at all, and will also with this longer way and this uncontrolled body movement, you will lose precision. So you take it again. One step forward, take a grip close to the axe head, move it close to your body, push it through the upper hand until they meet, and you have the start position. Now, in this position, just think of the goal. And the goal is this. Slightly bend knees and hit the log with full power. Here it goes. That was 3 full swings, and I'm not really tired, because this isn't a question of muscle work as much as it is a question of balance, mind control, body control, weight control. It's a kind of yoga exercise, actually. And this is very interesting, because what we're doing here is, of course, splitting wood so we can get heat. It's useful work, but it is also an art. It's a yoga, it's a concentration, and it's very fun, relaxing. You may get rid of your adrenaline, you may feel much more relaxed after doing this half an hour or so. Now, when you have splitted the first split, it's usually much more easy to split the rest, and you don't need a full swing. So you might do a half swing, like this. And when you have split it further on, you might not need much power at all. Then you can do the chopping quite easily from this level above. And it's a very good way then to take one, always have one hand at the end knob. But now move the front hand halfway to the head. In this position you can actually not hit your leg. It's very difficult to do so because it will end here. You will stop like this. So this is a very good safety chopping method. Some people like to do this with one hand, and you might do so, but I don't recommend it because you don't have much power in that way, and you don't have much control, and if you miss, you might hit your leg, and you don't want to do that. It doesn't feel nice. And instead, you're doing like this. Do the chopping. With this stroke. Always bend your knees and use your body, whole of your body. Feel relaxed, feel the balance, and you will find your own way. This is all for Station Lunda for now. I'm enjoying the sound of the birds in the early morning in the spring of Sweden. Just listen. May the force be with you.